Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix game blurriness or game blur issue in Halo campaign evolve game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So here are the steps to fix the game blur issue. Now first of all, close the game completely. Then go to this path on your PC. Open C drive, users folder, your username folder, app data folder, local folder, Meteoroid folder, saved folder, config folder and Windows folder. And then you have to create the Engine.ini file. Make sure it is not a .txt, it has to be .ini file. And then you have to add this code. I have provided this code in my video description as well as in pinned comment. You can copy and paste this code and make the file read only. Right click on the file and go to properties. Read only should be at the end. And then you can go ahead, relaunch the game and check. So I will show you the steps how to do it. So first of all, go to this path. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open the app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So and check mark hidden items. Then open the app data folder. Now open the local folder and here look for the Meteoroid folder, open it. Saved folder, config folder, Windows folder. This is just an example, I'm showing it. Now what you have to do, you have to create the Engine.ini file. So first right click on it and then select new and then select notepad and then open the notepad. Now copy this code. I have provided this code in my video description as well as in pinned comment. You can copy and paste it from there and paste it over here and then click on file, save as. Now you have to save the file as .ini. First of all, select the saved as type from the drop down. Here select all files and then type double inverted comma engine.ini and then close the double inverted comma. We are putting the double inverted comma to make sure to save the file as engine.ini or else it will save the file as .txt. So after putting the quotation at both the end, click on save and then close it. And here you can see the engine.ini file. Now right click on it and then select properties. And here you will see the read only option. Tick mark it and then click on apply. OK. Now you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So I hope by following these steps, you can easily fix game blurriness or game blur issue in Halo campaign evolve game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.